Dear students, in the last class we have seen min term. Min term is a product of all the literals with or without bar within the logic system. And the opposite of that one is max term, and it is sum of all the literals with or without bar within the logic system. In the notes I have given that thing. Refer those things correctly. Max term is sum of all the literals with or without bar. If you are taking x and y, x or x bar, y or y bar. And max term normally a single variable or the logical sum of several variables. The variables may or may not be complemented. That means here it may appear in the normal form, that is x, or its complement x bar. If a variable value 1, then it is complemented, that is opposite of min term. In min term, value 0 is there, then it is complemented. Value 1 means normal form. But in the max term, value is 1, then it is complemented. Otherwise, it is in normal form. For example, if you have two variables x and y, make the assumption you have two variables x and y, then there may be 4 possible combinations. Each of these 4 combinations represent one of the Boolean expression. We will see those expressions. X and y, that is 0 and 0, and max term, this is not min term, max term and designation, in which way it is represented. 0, 0. Now 0 is in normal form. 0 is in normal form. X plus y. 0 and 1. Now 0 means normal form, that is x, plus 1 means in complemented form, so it is y, so y bar, and that represents m1. 1 and 0, so x bar plus y, m2. 1 and 1, that is x bar plus y bar, that is m3. So a symbol for each max term is also shown in the table, that is in the form of mj, where j denotes the decimal number. For example, the max term x plus y plus z bar, whose combination may be 0, 0, 1. If there is only x plus y, it may be 0, 0. But x plus y plus z bar, so z bar is nothing but 1. So the combination may be 0, 0, 1. Can be written as m1, as decimal equivalent of 0, 0, 1 is 1. A Boolean expression may be represented using truth table, forming a max term for each combination of the variable, which produces 0 in the function and then taking the AND of all those terms. Maybe for example, in the truth table, you can see there are max term, this is max term, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z bar, since it is 0, 0, 1, x plus y plus z bar, that is m1, again 0, 1, 0, that is x plus y bar plus z, so 0 means normal form, 1 means complemented form. So 0, 1, 1, x plus y bar plus z bar, that is m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. So all are taken. Maybe for example, if this max term result is 0, even if this max term result is 0 and this one is again 0, 0 and the result of this one is 0, then there are 5 terms. The Boolean function of truth table is obtained by multiplying 5 max terms. So they have taken this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Wherever 0 is there, that they have selected. Okay, just for the assumption it is. And here you can see 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. These are the 5 terms. So since each of these max term result is 0, then we can represent it by using f of x comma y comma z, that is equal to x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z bar, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, that is x plus y plus z bar, into x bar plus y plus z, x bar plus y plus z, 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 1, x bar plus y plus z bar, then 1, 1, 1, x bar plus y bar plus z bar. That is nothing but m0 into m1 into m4 into m5 into m7. So the above Boolean function is the product of all the 5 terms. This type of expression is known as POS expression. That means if the terms, max terms, are combined together by using multiplication operator, then we will call it as a product of sum expression, that is POS. Earlier in the min term we have seen sum of product expression, that is SOP, but here it is product of sum expression POS. We can represent even in this way, in the decimal form. F of x comma y comma z is equal to product of 0 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7, that is 0th term, 1st term, 4th term, 5th term and the 7th term. So how the product of sum expression is represented, where f is a Boolean expression or Boolean function with 3 variables, and it can be read as function f is product of 0th, 1st, 4th, 5th and 7th max terms. So we can define it as product of sum, POS. A product of sum expression is some term or several sum terms logically multiplied. A product of sum expression is some terms or several sum terms logically multiplied. Next is canonical form. In Boolean expression, a sum of min terms or product of max terms are called as canonical forms. In Boolean expression, sum of min terms or product of max terms, sum of min terms or product of max terms are called canonical forms. For example, if the expression contains only the min terms, then we will call it as a canonical sum of min terms. Maybe for example, x y bar plus x y. Okay, x y bar plus x y. Then we can call this one as a canonical sum of min terms if it contains only the min term in the expression. Okay, if it contains only the max terms, product of max terms, then we can call it as a canonical product of max terms. Okay, we can see one example here. Min term canonical, that is f of xy is equal to x plus x bar y bar plus x bar y plus x y bar plus xy. That means it contains only the min terms. So it is called as min term canonical expression. Max term, if it contains only the max terms, that is x plus y bar, x bar plus y, x plus y, all are products. And this product of max terms, we will call it as a max term canonical expression. Okay, so min term canonical expression is the sum of all min terms. Each min term contain all the variable. The max term canonical expression is the product of all the max terms. Each max term contain all the variables. Okay, so this is the concept, and commonly it will be asked for 2 marks. Just remember the definition. Even there is a conversion concept. Thank you, students. In the next class I will take Karnaugh maps, and it is important concept in the Boolean algebra, and there will be 5 marks questions on Karnaugh map. Thank you. God bless you.